So it sounds like it would be something that you would use, like we talking like turf fields where like you're doing soccer or football, that sort of thing.
Right.
Is it like really good for like patch repairs, or what would be the primary use that you would see for some DIY guys like us, or people
Yeah.
out there that might be watching?
So I guess a lot of golf course superintendents buy it for divots, right? So we'll sell sand, peat moss, grass seed for a lot of golf course superintendents. We're starting to get in a lot of sports turf guys. They'll put it in a drop spreader, put it around baseball, around the pitcher's mound, around the home plate. A lot of landscape companies, a lot of homeowners, municipalities, school districts.
So it sounds like maybe some of your high traffic areas that are getting worn down.
Right.
That's going to be where it's with the mixture that's got. I'm assuming that's going to kickstart the germination process and the success rate of growth. Is that kind of the whole purpose of it?
Yeah, it just holds more moisture. Then we use Barrenbrook's yellow jacket coated seed. And obviously that holds 600 times its weight in moisture. There's starter fertilizer in there. There's also a fungicide as well. So
is there different seed types that you sell?
Yeah, we do Bermuda, bentgrass, bluegrass, tall fescue, sun and shade, and then full sun and ryegrass mix as well. And then we'll do custom blends for people.
The guys at Barrenbrook are amazing. The whole group at Barrenbrook is amazing.
Because my dog, not as bad in the past, but just absolutely would just destroy. Because I got a 60-pound retriever, and just his piss is just really acidic, to the point where like I no longer let him pee in the front yard anymore. But I've used it. I've patched with TurfMend. I think it's the TurfMend. Is it the Blue Pro? Is that the one that's like?
Yeah, we changed it to H&P, but we used to have Turf Blue Pro in it.
It seems like it takes the guesswork out of it, because like what I'm doing. Right. When I'm just like overseeding, you're laying seed and you're raking it in and then you water it. But if you have full on bare spots and you want something that's kind of pre-mixed, you got the ratios the way you want it. It's got all that stuff to lock in the moisture, give it a little protection, and then you put it in those areas that need a little something extra. Right. That seems like that would be a good use for it. Or if you get thin spots from an intense summer and you want to kind of go a little heavier on some areas, throw that in there. That's a cool idea. It kind of makes it simple for guys who maybe don't want to think about it as much or aren't as gung-ho as we might be sometimes.